Hi everyone, welcome to today's craft program. My name is Dabney. I'm the young adult librarian with the Twin Lakes Libraries and I use they, them pronouns. For today's program, we are going to be doing another cooking craft video and we're going to be making dirt cake or dirt pudding. So this is a take-home craft, so you can sign up on the website with the form that'll be linked, and you can reserve your own craft bag and then make this at home. Or if you haven't done that, you can come to the library and ask circulation and they can give you one. So we do kind of have a limited number, so there are going to be 8 craft bags in total, but let me show you what's going to be in there. So each bag is going to have one of these chocolate vanilla puddings in them. So these do have milk in them, so just be aware of that. There's milk. They're also going to have a pack of Oreos, which are vegan, and some gummy worms. And then these I'm not going to be eating because they have gelatin in them, but that's what's going to be in your bags. Okay. So I'm going to get started. This is like a really pretty quick cooking video. So I made some chocolate pudding last night. This is like really easy to make. I think it's only maybe 6 ingredients. There's sugar, there's cocoa powder, there's cornstarch. You mix that all together. Then you add your dairy-free milk. So I did almond milk. You stir that up, cook it on the stove, and then you add vegan butter and vanilla extract, and you get some pudding. I have a lot of pudding at home now, but I'll have that link in the video as well, just in case you want to make your own pudding. Alright, so you got your pudding cup, you got your Oreos, and I'm probably just going to do 2 Oreos, so we'll turn this down. So you just twist it open, and then the middle part you're going to scoop out, and you can eat it if you want, or put it to the side. Okay, and then what you're going to do is crush these Oreos. So I'm going to kind of a head start and like break them up into little pieces to make it go a little bit quicker. What's really nice is if you have if you're doing a bunch of these, you get a plastic bag, put the Oreos in the bag, and then get a rolling pin and roll it over that, and it'll crush it up real good. Okay. Now, using the spoon, kind of breaking it up. This is not very effective. Maybe I'll just have to crumble these with my fingers. I thought about bringing, I have a miniature rolling pin at home. I thought about doing that, but I didn't. This is a kind of a nice sound, maybe. So yeah, you wanting to get it kind of to look a bit like dirt. Now you can do this with any kind of Oreos. You know, they have golden Oreos. You can have sandy cake instead of dirt cake. Alright. Ooh, my hands. I should have brought a napkin over here because I'm making a mess. And then we're going to spoon this on top of our pudding. Like that. Okay. And This is where you would open up your gummy worms and put some gummy worms in here to make them look like worms in the dirt cake. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to have a graveyard dirt cake. These are some Halloween little cupcake things. So we got a tiny grave. Got a skull here. And put a little bones in there. So this is my graveyard dirt cake. Okay. And then you get to try your dirt cake. So dig on in there, get some pudding, get some Oreos. Very chocolatey, very sweet. So yeah, that is our very easy, basic cooking craft, take-home craft program. So come by the library, pick up a craft bag or reserve one online, and you can make this at home. So again, each craft bag is going to have a pudding cup, it's going to have a pack of Oreos, and it's going to have some gummy worms in like a little plastic bag for you. Yeah, thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye!